Okay, welcome to Showtunes Republic. Nabalitaan mo ba yung yung company called Studio A, yung Studio A Productions?
I think I've heard of it before.
Oo, sila yata yung nagpo-produce ng mga horror-themed na plays, no?
Yes.
Oo. So, ano yung alam mo dun sa may mga naririnig mo about Studio A Productions?
Bale, yung mga narinig ko is yung like, kakaiba siyang type of plays yung pinaproduce nila.
Mm-mm.
Like, for example, yung Tulog Na,
Oo.
Gising Na, or Salve.
Oo. Parang narinig ko isa pang is Bisita.
Meron din silang pinaduce niyan. Tapos
Oo.
yung atmosphere ng studio nila is very immersive. Parang it's like you're part of the play then. And it's very similar to a haunted house.
Very interesting, no?
Mm.
Yeah, so I hope that I heard some good reviews about it.